Welcome. In this video, we'll break down the Tesla Referral Program as of December 2025. This program rewards existing Tesla owners for referring new customers. We'll explain how it works, what you can earn, and key updates. This program rewards existing Tesla owners for referring new customers. Tesla uses this program to encourage word-of-mouth marketing and boost sales of their vehicles, energy products, and services. Key updates as of 2025 include global expansion to over 40 countries, integration with Tesla's full self-driving subscriptions, and Cybertruck orders. The program covers vehicles, energy products like solar panels and power walls, and services. If you're a Tesla owner or thinking about buying one, this is how to maximize your savings. The first step in using Tesla's referral program is getting your unique referral link. This personalized link is what allows Tesla to track your referrals and credit you appropriately. To begin, access your Tesla account. You can do this through the Tesla mobile app or by visiting the Tesla website in your web browser. Both options provide secure access to your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the referral section. This is typically found in your account menu alongside options like account settings and vehicle information. Look for it in the main navigation. In the referral section, you'll find your personalized referral link and a QR code. Both serve the same purpose. They uniquely identify your referrals and allow Tesla to track purchases made through your recommendations. Share your referral link through various channels. You can post it on social media platforms, send it via email, or share it directly in messaging apps. The link remains active and trackable across all these methods. Remember, anyone who clicks your referral link and makes a qualifying purchase will earn you credits. These credits can be redeemed toward future Tesla products and services. You earn credits when someone uses your link to purchase a qualifying Tesla product. This includes new vehicles like Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Cybertruck. Energy products such as solar panels and power walls also qualify. As of 2025, even subscriptions to Tesla's full self-driving software can earn referral credits. The amount of credits varies by product and region. For example, vehicle referrals can earn up to $2,000 in the US and €3,000 in Europe. Energy products like solar panels and power walls earn $100 to $500, while FSD subscriptions can give up to $1,000 in credits. Keep an eye out for referral bonus boost periods, which can temporarily increase these amounts by 20 to 50%. Tesla referral credits act like store credit that can only be used for Tesla products and services. Importantly, these credits are not cash and cannot be converted to money or used for purchases outside of Tesla. You can use referral credits toward a wide range of future Tesla purchases. This includes new or used vehicles like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and even the Cybertruck. Credits also work for energy products such as solar installations and Powerwall batteries, software upgrades including full self-driving subscriptions, and various accessories. Redeeming your referral credits is straightforward. Simply add Tesla products to your cart on the Tesla website or through the Tesla app. During the checkout process, you'll see an option to apply your referral credits as payment. Remember, credits are only awarded and become available after the person you referred completes their purchase and it is delivered and registered. Keep in mind that referral credits expire after 3 years if they remain unused. Additionally, in certain regions such as the United States, these credits are treated as taxable income, and Tesla will withhold appropriate taxes. It's important to review local tax regulations and consult professionals if needed. The Tesla referral program has important restrictions and eligibility requirements that participants must understand. To participate as a referrer, you must be a verified Tesla owner with an active Tesla account. This ensures only legitimate customers can earn credits. The person you're referring, called the referee, must be a completely new Tesla customer who hasn't purchased Tesla products before. To prevent program abuse, Tesla imposes caps on how much you can earn. Currently, referrers are limited to no more than 10 referrals per month. Some promotions and government incentives cannot be combined with referral credits. This varies by region to comply with local regulations. Rules can change, so always review the current terms and conditions for your specific region before participating. Many Tesla owners have successfully leveraged the referral program to offset ownership costs. One inspiring example shows how a dedicated owner referred over 50 buyers, accumulating more than $50,000 in credits. These credits were then used to purchase a Cybertruck and a complete solar system, demonstrating the program's potential to make Tesla ownership more affordable. On a larger scale, Tesla's Model Y launch campaign in Germany proved highly effective, generating over 20,000 referrals. This regional success highlights how strategic timing and community engagement can amplify referral program results. These success stories illustrate the referral program's ability to significantly reduce Tesla ownership costs. For more inspiration and practical tips, explore Tesla community forums on platforms like Reddit, where owners share their referral experiences. Tesla referral program is constantly evolving. Expect AI-driven personalization to suggest optimal referral targets based on user data. As competition in the EV market increases, Tesla may introduce gamification elements like leaderboards to incentivize referrals. The program is also expanding globally, adapting to local regulations and incorporating cryptocurrency rewards in some regions. Industry analysts predict that referral programs will contribute significantly to Tesla's sales in the coming years. The Tesla referral program can change, so stay informed. Check your Tesla account regularly for updates, new promotions, and changes to the terms and conditions. When sharing your referral link, be transparent and ethical. Avoid spamming or misleading potential customers. Focus on genuinely sharing your positive Tesla experience. This approach benefits both you and the people you refer, supporting sustainable energy adoption.